Hi, could you introduce yourself to us, please?
Absolutely. My name is Lola Oguntunde. The American version is Lola Oguntunde. And I'm an attorney here in New York. I have my own business based in downtown Manhattan. And we do all kinds of law, specifically immigration, estate planning, and estate work, as well as divorces. So the immigration side of our business covers everything from deportation, filing petitions, marriage visas, and family visas. We also do a lot of bond hearings, just in case you're picked up by immigration. We represent our clients in their bond hearings to get them out of jail temporarily. So we cover all areas of immigration law. We also do a lot of estate work. I know a lot of people ask me, what's estate? So basically, estate is what happens after a person dies. So you have property, you have a car, you have money in the bank, you have stocks and bonds. What happens to all these things when a person dies? I know a lot of people don't like to talk about this, but it's inevitable that people leave this earth. So we do everything from drafting your wills to doing a power of attorney. What's a power of attorney? A power of attorney is basically you designating someone else to act as your agent so that they can handle all financial matters for you, just in case you become incapacitated. That could mean that you're in the hospital and you're not able to make certain decisions on your own. So your power of attorney agent gets to take care of this. We also do divorces. And we're doing contested divorces, meaning that neither party is fighting it. And we do contested divorces, meaning that the parties are fighting and maybe they have children, maybe they have property. We represent our clients in the Supreme Court here in New York to do all those things.
What's the name of your firm specifically?
It's the Law Office of Lola Oguntunde.
How long have you been in business?
I've had my business now. We started back in 2008, and we're still going strong. And so I would say that's about 3 years and some change now.
Tell us about your clientele.
Okay, my clients are from all over the world. That's what makes this very interesting because I get to learn a lot from my clients. I have clients from Nigeria, of course. I have clients from other parts of Africa. I have clients from the Caribbean, everywhere from Jamaica to Trinidad to St. Kitts, and then I have clients here, of course, in New York as well. The good thing about immigration is that I can represent people anywhere in the world. As long as we, can communicate, whether via telephone or email, I can basically represent my immigration clients all over the world. And the state, of course, because I'm only licensed to practice in the states of New York and New Jersey, I can only represent clients in those states for the estate and divorce side of my practice. But again, like I said, immigration is all over the world.
Where did you study law?
I went to school right down the street at the New York Law School. So, I've been in this area for a very long time. So it's just a few blocks down the street.
What has been your successes like at the courts? Tell us about one or two cases that you remember about.
Well, that could be in a variety of areas, and success is really defined by, what makes the client happy and compromising with the other side at times. And, with my immigration cases, I have prevented people from getting deported, and some of them we've gotten their criminal records wiped off so that, they get to stay in the country and immigration doesn't get to deport them. Also with divorces, we've made it so that both parties can amicably resolve any of the disputes and be able to walk away with what they think that they deserve. So, I think we've had of course not every case is successful, but we've been pretty successful with most of the cases that we've had.
What's your dream for your law firm? Mm-hmm. What's your plan? 2 years, 3 years, 5 years down the road?
To get rich, hello. That's why we're in business, right? So, I would say my 5-year goal is to certainly, focus more on certain areas of immigration and estate work. Certainly reach out to other clients in maybe, other parts of the world. Employ a couple of attorneys, to work for the firm, and maybe get an office down on Wall Street. That would be nice.